Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Shiba Inu token. What's the current price of Shiba Inu token, and especially in this video I'm talking about the Shiba Inu token. When will Shiba Inu token going to hit $1 USD friends? A lot of people also ask me this question on Instagram or Telegram, that when will they going to hit $1 USD friends. So finally I want to share my suggestion, my prediction about Shiba Inu token in this video. Keep watching till the end friends, and if you are new to my channel, so I request all of you, please click the subscribe button and like this video friends. Thank you so much for subscribing ABS Tech channel. Let's start the video friends and let's move on. So friends, the current price of the Shiba Inu token as 0.00013 USD friends. So absolutely now they are very far away from the $1 USD. On the other side, if you look, the price is occurred, so as you know from the previous last day, the price is going down. The price is going down day by day, hour by hour in the previous last 1 week. So when will they going to hit $1 USD? Don't worry, in this video I will show you friends on the basis of technical analysis, on the basis of my research. I will tell you that when will they going to hit $1 USD friends. First of all, the last 1 hour, last 1 day and last 1 week, the whole change is occurring. The Shiba Inu token is now negative friends. Let's see my friends the price chart of the Shiba Inu token, and let's see my friends the last 1 month price chart. The 1 month price chart tells us clear that when will they go hit $1 USD friends. As you can see here friends, the price chart Shiba Inu token in the start of 10th May, on 8th May and 7th May, they take a huge jump. As you can see here, that is the only, as you can see here, let me show friends, wait for a minute, let me show. Yes, absolutely. As you can see here, the Shiba Inu token start jumping on the May 6th May, and now they are again falls down on 10th May. So between the 6th and 10th, they only take a jump friends. So as you can see here, and you just imagine the jump of the Shiba Inu token, that is only the 4 days jump of the Shiba Inu token. And as you can see here, now the price of the Shiba Inu token is due to this jump friends. Before this jump, the price of the Shiba Inu token is very low friends. So friends, we can't say about the future of any cryptocurrencies if the Shiba Inu token continuously taken this kind of jump in this month. So I hope at the last of this month they will easily hit a $1 USD friends. But as you can see here, now this time they fast down friends. From the previous last 1 week, only fast down occur in the Shiba Inu token. So on the basis of technical analysis, if they slowly start moving upward, if they taken a small jump in the 1 week, so they can easily going to hit a $1 USD in the start of 2022 friends. That is my prediction about Shiba Inu token. If they take a small jump, gradually start moving upward with the average level, so they can easily going to hit $1 USD in the start of 2022 friends. Anyways, if we talk about the currently the last 1 month price change, so positive 430.42% price changes occur in the last 1 month, and the highest price is 0.000038. That is the highest price of the Shiba Inu token friends, this time price. So very soon they are going to hit a $1 USD. We can't say about the future. Maybe they tomorrow again start jumping and the price will become again $1 USD. We can't say, but that's my prediction, that's my technical analysis. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about Shiba Inu token? Please also share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.